Paul, you're late again. Sorry, I never get up before 45. 8:45? That's late. What time do you get up? 5 a.m. 5 a.m.? That's early. What do you do in the morning? Well, after I get up, I usually make breakfast, take out the garbage, do the laundry. The laundry? Yes. Then I need. Then I read newspaper, check email. Sometimes I take a nap. You take a nap in the morning? Just 15 minutes. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I exercise, and on the other days, I clean the house. Then I take a shower, get dressed, put on my makeup, and go to work. Wow, you never sleep late. On the weekend, I sleep till 6. That's very late. You do laundry in the morning and the evening and the evening. Why? When do you do in the laundry? Usually in March. Usually in March and September.